This 4-piece of WORKPRO magnetic tool trays, and they're collapsible. So there's 4 pieces, like I said, and I was using this to work on my ceiling. So I have to climb up on a ladder, and everything that's metal just sticks to this. On top of it, I was just thinking how awesome this is. On top of it, you know, they do expand. They're also magnetic that way as well. So I could be working on something and have this here and have everything just like magnetically attached to it. Like, look how cool that is. It's a 4-piece set. They have different sizes, you know. And I just like really was just last night actually installing these lights, and I was just like very impressed. So I like them. They're gonna basically live on the side of my toolbox once I get all my stuff together. And when I need them, I'll be able to pull it out. So these are pretty neat. Check them out. WORKPRO. Oh man, that's on there. There we go.